My name is Teacher Lynn, and with me today is Teacher Van.
Hello!
Today our activity is all about shape. So, are you ready? Can I see thumbs up? There you go. I think you guys are ready. So, let's go! Our cutout shapes, and then popsicle sticks. And now what do we need, Teacher Van?
Let's sort first your popsicle sticks by colors. What colors do you have there, Teacher Lynn?
Oh, I have here blue, and then red, green, yellow, and purple. Lastly, orange.
I think we're ready, Teacher Lynn. Sorted all the popsicle sticks correctly. So, let's start. First, Teacher Lynn, can you look for the shape that has 3 sides? Is that the one? Let's count. How many sides does that have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Not that one. Let's check. 1 side, 2 sides, and the other side. Alright, let's see if Teacher Lynn can make the same shape. But what shape is that, Teacher Lynn?
It's circle.
Is that circle?
Oh, I'm sorry. It's not circle. It's triangle. Woohoo!
So Teacher Lynn is now making a triangle using the same color. What color is that, Teacher Lynn?
I think this is purple, Teacher Van. Is it? No, it's red.
Is it the same shape?
Let's match.
Well done, Teacher Lynn. Okay, let's see what's next. Now, how about the shape with 4 equal sides? What's that, Teacher Lynn?
It is square.
Alright, let's count how many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead.
4. Is it right, Teacher Van?
Let's see. Did Teacher Lynn make a square? Let's find out. Perfect square. Very good. Now, Teacher Lynn already made a triangle, a square. Now, what shape do we have next? Maybe we can choose a shape with 4 sides.
But 2 sides are a little longer.
Is it right?
No, not that one. What shape is that, Teacher Lynn?
Oh, I think this is rectangle. Am I right?
Correct.
Yes.
So now, let's make our rectangle. How many sticks are you going to use, Teacher Lynn?
Oh, I think we need 6 like this.
Let's count. Let's get green sticks.
4, 5, and 6. We need 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Can we see you do it?
Woohoo!
Can you make a rectangle with sticks just like Teacher Lynn?
Good job, guys! Woohoo! And are you ready for the next one? Are you sure? Can I see thumbs up? Alright!
Here's the next shape.
Okay. Are you ready? Here is our next shape. What is this?
What shape is that? Let me see. Ooh. What shape is that, Teacher Lynn?
I think this is a star, Teacher Van.
I don't think so.
Oh.
It only has 4 sides.
Oh, I know na. It's a... Yes, you're correct. It's diamond. Diamond.
Okay, Teacher Lynn, what color are we going to use to make a diamond?
Oh, this is orange, teacher.
Huh? Is that orange?
Oh, I'm sorry. It's purple.
Okay, time to
Where
get
is
some
the
purple sticks.
There you go.
And how many purple sticks are you going to use, Teacher Lynn?
Ta-da! Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do it.
Oh, your turn. Can you make a diamond like Teacher Lynn?
Good job, guys!
Okay, we already did 4 shapes. We have the triangle, the square, the rectangle, and the diamond. Now, let's make it a little bit harder, Teacher Lynn. What's the next shape?
Oh, what shape is this? This is, yes, this is pentagon.
Okay, let's use the color. What color shall we use for the pentagon, Teacher Lynn?
Okay, let me match. There you go, it's color. Yes, you're right. Yellow.
And how many popsicle sticks do we need?
Oh, I think we need 5, Teacher Van. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Do you have your 5 sticks? All right, Teacher Lynn just made a... What shape is that?
Pentagon! Woohoo!
We have one last one to go. We have... What shape do we have left, Teacher Lynn?
Oh, what is this? Hexagon! And Teacher Van, what color is this?
Is that... red?
No.
Let's see. Can you match it again, Teacher Lynn?
There you go.
What color is that?
It's orange.
All right, Teacher Lynn, how many do we need? Can you count how many sides there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many sticks do we need?
6.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
There we go. A hexagon.
Perfect! Yay! Okay, thank you everyone. Bye guys! I hope you had fun.
Enjoy making more shapes.